Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can use 3 WhatsApp accounts on Samsung Galaxy devices. Now this trick works with the latest devices with latest software like Android Oreo at least, and Samsung Galaxy S8, S9, Note 8, Note 9, these kind of devices. I actually don't know if it would work on your device or not, but I will show you how to do that. Now I've got my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and I'm gonna unlock it. Sorry about my wallpaper, I'm kind of ignoring PUBG these days, playing too much. Anyway, so the first thing is like I've got my WhatsApp here, you can see. And what I would do, I will go to settings. Now you don't need an app to do that in Samsung Galaxy. Like, there are built-in ways to use 3 WhatsApp accounts. So first one is called dual messenger. So in the settings, when you tap on advanced features, you would probably find dual messenger here. With this you can use to WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Viber, and even messenger accounts. So I'm gonna just uncheck this one first because I actually don't want to like use 2 WhatsApp accounts. I'm just gonna show you how to do that. So I'm gonna tap on WhatsApp to install a second app. It would take some time depending on your like device and connection, but first it's installed, then you can probably see it next to the WhatsApp or before the WhatsApp official. I mean, the old one. So I've got my old one here, and I've got my WhatsApp, what's called, second one here. So I actually don't have another phone number, otherwise I would show you how to use it, but it would definitely work. Now to use the third WhatsApp account, we need something called secure folder, which is here. If you haven't set it up, then you will have to set it up, and once you are done, this what it does, it generates a new software for you, and a completely separate a software where you can use anything you want, just like your phone. So I'm gonna unlock my secure folder. That means like I'm using a different Android device now. So I've got my apps here. What I would do, I would tap on add apps and search for WhatsApp. You can see WhatsApp. I can't see the second one because second one is only limited to the original, or we say the official software. So what I would do, I would tap on WhatsApp and add. Now you can see I have WhatsApp here, which would definitely work. So I've got this third WhatsApp, and I've got the first one here, second one here, and third one. Wow, 3 WhatsApps. Now third one is the secure folder one, which is definitely this one. Yep. So I hope the video helped, guys. Thanks for watching, and please like the video if it helped, and subscribe to my channel for Android, PC, and iOS.